I am Anjali Raj and I am here to represent a summary on the Tiger Kings, second chapter of our English NCERT with stars written by Kalki. The story revolves around a king who is very arrogant. When he was born, there was a prophecy happened that he was going to kill by the tiger. When he take over the throne, he he got the news about his prophecy, so he killed almost 70 tigers. He went to the chief astrologer, who told him that be aware of the 99th tiger. I mean 100th tiger. So he killed and killed almost 99 tigers. But when it came about to the 100, it was very hard to find any tiger in the forest. So what his diwan did, that he bought a tiger from the zoo, and he bought the tiger from the zoo. So he killed. He thought that he killed, but it wasn't like that. The tiger was alive and fainted from the shock. When he forget about the problems of the tigers, and he went to his 3-year-old crown prince, whose birthday was coming, so he thought to buy a tiger toy. He what the tiger toy? He went to he bought the tiger toy. One day he was playing with his son, and the nail infected his full hand. He tried to save himself, but he died. The operation was successful and he died. Like this, the 100th tiger took its revenge. Conclusion was that if you try to meddle with the nature will take its revenge by any means, by any cost. Thank you.